What about insider trading? Do you think it can be stopped?
No, I think it's, I mean, the number of prosecutions that you've had since they first brought in the rule is minuscule and pathetic. And again, I think it happens at a huge level, insider trading. I think it is a problem, and I think it's impossible to stop it. And I think that authorities are too gutless, really, to stop it. And most of the insider trading is committed by the large brokers and institutions. And as I think you notice a lot of the time when a company has a profit warning, the share price goes down the night before, or there are often unusual movements of a share before it goes shooting up, say it's a takeover. It's a very leaky place. And unless you can actually nail somebody on the telephone working at a city firm or on an email or something, it's a very difficult thing to prove, because people are, you know, insider traders aren't stupid. They're not going to send an email. If you're working in the corporate finance department of a company that's taking over another company, you don't sort of send an email to your broker saying, please buy shares in that company the day before. You find roundabout ways of doing it, and people do it all the time. And I think it is a disgrace, but well, when I say it's a disgrace, it's just inevitable sort of human greed makes it happen. And it is, I'm not really blaming the authorities, because I think it's an incredibly difficult thing to police. But I do think they could make a better hash of it.
Mm. And what about traders who pump and dump on bulletin boards and stuff like that?
Again, I don't think you can pump and dump on a bulletin board. No, well, I mean, there are some pretty dozy people out there, but I can't think of many people who read a bulletin board comment from a total stranger, ring their brokers and say, please will you buy this share because some total stranger is telling me that it's going to double. I mean, maybe there are people like that, but people certainly try and do it. People, both bulls and bears, are trying to always talk their own book, but the pumping and dumping is normally done by brokers who will ring up their clients because they might be being paid commission to do so, and say, look, you should have a look at this company, it's really good. And it happens at the absolute top level, you know, on huge companies, from the very top all the way down. Sell-side investment bankers or people in investment banking houses are pumping their clients into stocks, the in-house clients that they like, and more often than not, they make just the same mistakes as innocent retail people.